We're here today to start this historic sled that we were entrusted with a couple years ago. Most of the circles within Arctic Cat referred to it as PUTS 1. Looks like a traditional snow pro on the outside. Big difference here is engineering was experimenting with the concept of having the exhaust run under the seat over the top of the engine. It's been tried also another time since. It's been in storage, laying in pieces here for at least 10 years, and Mitch has just finished putting it all together, and we're gonna hear this fire up for the first time right now. All right, can't argue with the success of that, Mitch. Sounds like we're ready to go to the X Games.